So for our next drink, again, we'll be using glassware from my mother's cupboard. So this one's very classic American diner drink. Pero we'll be adding twist kasi we'll give it with Asian taste, no? So we'll be calling this Tiger's Blood. So this is one of our cream soda drink. So we'll be needing strawberry syrup, coconut syrup, okay? Then we'll add ice. Then again, we'll top it with our brevet. Tapos, we'll just stir yung bottom part ng konting-konti just to add marbling color. And we'll top it off with our soda water. So this is our Tiger's Blood cream soda.